dude. I have talking jump looking like he in that damn 40. He was like this. You know the station. This is what my tax money is. You got a free house, you got free food, you got free stuff. I don't know who this guy is trying to take this. Go back in. You are. You ain't got to do this food I look like that. Don't forget I let you use my phone to call your mama when you were locked out of your house. Don't forget that. Ashley. Yeah, don't forget. I let you use my phone when you were locked out of your house. Remember that. You. I let you use my phone when you were locked out of your house. Remember that? Remember that kind gesture I did for you? You got a free house, courtesy of the government. My taxpayer money going towards it. I'm a what? A rapist. Define rapist. Go home. Go to school. Do something with your life other than hanging with them. Yeah. A house that I got a mortgage for versus paying rent. That's what I want y'all to know and think. I gotta be. Nope. Whatever. I ain't paying no rent. Next you know, breaking the folks' house. Breaking the folks' house. You go breaking mine. She said she go. He talking about he gonna break in my house. She up talking calling me a rapist. Yeah. Whoever came over there, you came over him. Then you want to get an attitude with me for telling you to get the hell off the road. I don't care about them. Criminals deserve to be watched. Remember that. She out here still talking drunk down and trying to show on the phone. All right. These are not studies. they keep telling me to come off the porch and jump. Telling me I'm gonna get knocked out if I come in the street. That's what really happened. Making all these threats, I'm like, you gonna break in my house and knock me out and all this. Looking like a 40-year-old. Let's do some ice over there. Let's bring the other. I got to record. Let's keep the one in charge. Yo, put the wall up. Hey, Kaswala. Your son, whoever he is, and your daughter just threw ice in my yard. My driveway. I came out the house talking to you. No, the hell I did not. All right. Oh, okay. I'm recording this, by the way. Go ahead, lie. And I got the first part of it when you said that crap to me when I came out my house, too, telling me to go back inside my house. Who the hell did you mean away? Hope you got an explanation for this right now, because you just doggone do this crap in my driveway like I'm not going to do nothing. You're already on Section 8, all right? I'm going to report this to the thing. An adult? You called me crazy last time we was out here.